Okay, I have a Medeco IC core cylinder here. And I'm not sure which line I'll pick it to first. Gotta get them all rotationally set. Begin with biaxial, of course, and use the key. But I'm going to pick it to both lines. Alright. Sorry if I'm a little far out, but yeah, this one jams sometimes. There we go. And thanks to J Ruler, okay, just hold the plug face in and pull the key out. Really being a pain. I don't know what's the matter with it, but thanks to J Ruler, I know now that the center two chambers 3 and 4 are actually the control lug chambers, just like a Sargent large format interchangeable core, and they are higher than these two cuts, and I've used it to make a control key for a few Medeco cylinders I bought off eBay, where I just raised them or cut the cuts rotationally and then just impressioned them down to the correct depth with the code machine, and yeah, it's been a big help to me, so thanks, brother. I'll try to pick it in a somewhat timely fashion here. It can be a pain. I'm sure it didn't look like it, but the keyway is actually kind of tight for this bitting, working up from the bottom anyway. Okay, there we go. That was another one snapped into place. So I'm getting good sets out of it now. Here we are. Alright, I'll just go ahead and pick it to the operating. Yeah, I'll go ahead and pick it to operating first. I may have passed it. I'll just go ahead and go to control then. Must have passed it on one pin. Okay, and there's control, obviously, and I will just, I'll lock it back up. Pick it real quick to the operating line. Huh, being stubborn. Okay. Let's try starting from the control lug. And you can feel the control lug moving this one just like a sergeant. There was one, and one more. Not the control lug. Control lug feels like a mushroom pin. There we go. Operating. And now to control again. There's one, two, one more. And the last pin is a mushroom pin, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let's take this biatch apart and see what we got. I don't think I've ever had this one apart. So, not really sure how many mushroom pins are in here and how many are just that control pins in the control lug shifting. Do I have a follower that's the right size? No, I do not. Oh, well, screw it. Rotate it back. Oh, yeah, that was genius. Alright. And I want to take off the cap on this one because it's already been mashed up pretty good. Is it going to come out? Really sticky. Okay, I'm going to lose these control lug pins, so most likely anyway. I guess not. Okay, ignore these other pins in the pin tray. A long ass video. You can see that the sidebar does work. Looks like there's probably master wafers in here. Not broached pins. Standard pins. 3, 4. I guess they're are master wafers in here. I did not think that there were. Alright, now for the good stuff. Top pins. Standard. Ah, number 2 is a mushroom. With a master wafer, I thought. Where did it go? Uh-oh, that's not good. Number 3 was an upside down mushroom pin. Number 4, standard brass. 5, standard brass. 6 was a right side up mushroom ring pin. Huh. Why doesn't my key line up? I took out the pins in the wrong order. How's that possible? I'm going to have to go back and look at the video. So then the control key would raise them higher so that they would pick up this lug. Yeah, control key would raise them higher so they pick up this lug. These 4 satisfy the shear line. 2 higher, spinny. It's been a long day, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching.